everybody. Okay, boom, I'm gonna rush through this video a little bit. I'm only gonna do one part for now. If you guys want a part two, just let me know after this video. But yeah, so I was trying out this more legit, fancy ass, bougie, like legit photography company, and I was really feeling myself. So this is me prepping, you know what I'm saying, trying on a couple of my waist trainers, about to, you know, trying to get myself in the zone, trying to feel like a bad bitch before I step out there, because I am mad fucking awkward. Okay, so this is not about to be a roast CC session, but as you guys can see, like, I am obviously not a model. Like, I don't be knowing what I'm doing, and I literally rely on like my boyfriend, the coaches, the photographer to kind of tell me like what to do, how to pose and stuff like that. I kind of just try to feel it. Believe it or not, I was way worse before, and you know what, it's okay. I've learned to just say fuck it, just do it, fake it till you make it, and the pictures somehow always end up still turning out good. So yeah.
Okay, that's what you use, miss.
One of the most important ones.
The last one?
Yeah, I think this is. I have like these. I get a couple pictures like holding it with this. But I'll do some by itself first. But yeah, this is the last one. So yeah, I started this YouTube video at the end of my photo shoot session. I do have the beginning recorded. I just didn't know if you guys wanted to see me awkwardly standing around looking like I was lost. So just let me know below if you want to see the other part. Just so you guys know, it took me months to finally like decide to edit this video and show it to you guys, because I am so awkward. I am the last person I would consider qualified to be giving any kind of modeling advice. So that is not the purpose of this video. I just want to inspire some of you guys who are nervous. I know I can't be the only one that's just super like camera shy and like terrified of photo shoots. So I just wanted to show you guys, like, even if it is something really awkward, it's just a hurdle that we have to come across, and it is so worth it. You know, you get so much money out of doing photo shoots and having your own professional photos. So I do highly suggest kind of sucking it up, getting over your fear, and just getting out there. Just letting you guys know, I sped up a couple areas of the video so that YouTube hopefully does not pick up on the music in the background and go crazy and act like I'm trying to steal somebody's song. Ooh, bitch, I don't know where this little pose right here came from, but that little shit right there, y'all saw that little pose that I somehow did? That little shit right there was some heat, okay? Give your girl credits for that. And this, okay? Listen, this is why I showed y'all the end first, because I be starting off all types of motherfucking terrible, and then finally in the end I get a couple good poses, okay?
So this you don't want any full body, you just want any more waist stuff, or do you still want full body?
No. I guess just a couple full body, but mainly like
Okay.
up close,
Yeah, I'll do a couple full body.
As you can see, there's like a couple poses that I've learned over the past few months that I just keep doing because they're the only ones I really know how to do. But I mean, whatever works, you know, fuck it. My main goal, honestly, is just I want my face associated with my brand. I feel like I have a decent body and I am fairly pretty to be able to just do my own photo shoots. I just need to learn how to pose better. I do plan on taking a modeling class with some ladies that I met at a previous photo shoot and just learning a little bit more like what to do with my body and stuff like that. But I mean, this is, you know, just shows you guys, like, sometimes from the outside it seems like us boutique owners just know what we're doing and, you know, we just out here just doing a damn thing. But it took me a literal like anxiety attack breakdown and over a year to finally do my first photo shoot for my business. So if I can do it, you can do it. just go for it, honestly. Here is a few of the photos from my final photo shoot. If you want to see more, you can always check out my Instagram. But thank you guys for watching.